I'm very happy to be launching the Udan Yatri Cafe in Vijayawada Airport today. Udan Yatri Cafe has been a sensation in the airports after the launching of first Udan Yatri Cafe in Kolkata Airport in December 2024. We have received excellent response from the passengers, especially people from the common background who are traveling today, all because of the vision of our Prime Minister Narendra Modi ji. He has started the Udan scheme in 2016, through which we have constructed numerous airports in the country, and we have added numerous routes also. Udan scheme has added more than 630 new routes in the country today, and through which lot of low-income people, like our Prime Minister slogan is there, Hawai Chappal se Hawai Yatra ka Safar. So this whole lower income people also coming into air travel is a great intervention in the country that has happened. We have democratized air travel. So the next step we are going to is to give those set of people the necessary services in the airports and the terminal buildings also. So when we got the feedback that most of the people, the new addition that has happened in the passenger traffic, they are feeling that the prices at the airports are very high. I took a special note of that, and through our intervention we have created the Udan Yatri Cafe. We have started it in Kolkata, then we did it in Chennai, Bhubaneswar, Ahmedabad, Pune, and we did one in Northeast also, Holongi, and now in Andhra, Vijayawada Airport we have started. And this is something we are dedicating it to the people of the country, and we are going to do it step by step in all the airports in the country. And the most special thing about this Udan Yatri Cafe is that for 10 rupees you are going to get water bottle, 10 rupees tea, 20 rupees coffee, and for 20 rupees you are going to get a sweet or a samosa. So this is something that we feel is very much necessary in the country today for the people who are traveling. And through these innovative ideas, we are going to facilitate more services in the terminal buildings also. We are seeing that huge capacity growth is happening in the country, through which necessary services need to be added. And another couple of interventions that I want to mention is we want to do free Wi-Fi in all the airports. So we are doing it in domestic, international terminals, and within 1-2 months across the country, every airport we want to give free Wi-Fi. And also we want to do a library in all the airports so that people who are traveling, they like to read. So for them, we want to create a library facility. And also there are a lot of parents who are coming with kids while traveling. So we want to create a kids play area in the terminals also. These are some of the interventions that we are creating. And the most special one is going to be the Udan Yatri Cafe. And I'm seeing great response in Vijayawada also for this. This is my home state, so it's extra special for me to launch this year. So I'm very happy to come here and launch it.